Good note-taking can be very important to academic and professional success. Notes can help you finish your projects properly and pass tests and assignments.
I gave you my heart.
So here are some of my simple, amazing and effective tips on how to take good notes. Let's begin. Number 1. Listen carefully to the speaker. Have your notes and supplies out and get ready before the class starts. Next, be an active listener. During your class or meetings, avoid distractions such as other people, your computer, and social media accounts. Listening carefully can help you take better notes, understand the material, and remember it at a later date. Tip number 2. Note details at the top of your paper. Keep your notes organized by writing important details such as the date and day. And write the page numbers of your notes. Add the headings and title. Tip number 3. Use headings and subheadings. Create a heading for each set of main points or ideas. Headings can act as a mini summary and helps to break up long paragraphs of notes, and this can bring clarity, especially when referring back to the notes later. Tip number 4. Use bullet points and numbered lists. Don't write in big or super long paragraphs. Keep your sentences short. Use bullet points or numbered lists to help you keep your notes concise and easily accessible. Number 5. Use illustrations and drawings. Make diagrams, tables, flowcharts for easy learning. You can also use sticky notes or draw shapes or boxes to write down examples, important keywords, new vocabulary words, important questions for your exams, etc. These techniques would help in recalling during your exam time. Number 6. Highlight key points. It is really important to underline, highlight these words on your notebooks. This can be your headings and subheadings, important definitions, new words, examples, phrases, etc. It gives an effective way to review that information later. Tip number 7. Compare notes with your classmates. 2 heads are better than 1. Once you have completed your notes, compare your notes with your classmates. This will give you a chance to spot the mistakes you have made and the points you have missed out. Number 8. Ask questions when confused. Don't just write down things you don't understand. Ask for clarification when you're confused. If you're not satisfied, you can always meet the lectures for further clarifications. So these were some of my simple, effective note-taking tips. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and for more videos subscribe to Be Creative and Artistic and press that bell icon for my latest new videos. Later!